Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back with a new video. It's been a really long time since I've filmed. I think it's been like a month or so, but I'm finally back with a new video and back to filming. So today's video is going to be about my February bullet journal setup. You guys really liked my January video and setting up my 2019 bullet journal. So every month I'm going to be setting up a spread for that month. January was really a trial month for my bullet journal. There was a lot of things that I did not use or didn't keep track of, and there's a lot of things that I wanted to add to this month to test out if I like it or not. So yeah, like I said, it was definitely a trial month. Definitely take some practice. I'm still a beginner, so there's still things that I'm learning or trying to figure out what I like in my journal, what works for me. This month definitely has more of a cohesive theme. Last month it was kind of all over the place. I don't know, I just didn't like how it turned out. I was like, I don't know. Anyways, this month is definitely a lot more cohesive and it looks a lot more appealing. I wish I would have been practicing my lettering a lot more. I kind of stopped and I was super rusty. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, I'm getting back to filming, so I will have videos for you guys every single week. Thanks again for all your love and support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's hop right on into it. All right guys, let's get started. So you guys can see here, I decided to put a quote on the left side of the page. My title page for the month was on the right, so I was left with a blank page. So I just decided to put a quote, being that it is a Valentine's Day. I decided to go with the quote, "Let all you do be with love." So you can see I'm just kind of setting it up here. I'm not too crazy about how the lettering turned out. Like I said, I was a little rusty. I definitely need to start practicing more because I haven't been writing or practicing my lettering at all for like the last month. Alright, so you can see I'm kind of putting some accents on the letters just to make them pop a little. I don't know if the camera really picks it up, but I just used a white paint pen to do that. And then just putting February on the title page and decorating it with some different sized hearts. I thought this turned out pretty cute. So the whole theme for the month is just hearts, and you'll see I'll put some like little arrows and stuff too. Definitely easy and very simple, but it looks nice when it's all put together. I like the way the pink and the black kind of pop. I'm just using pink and purple markers to fill in those hearts, just different colors. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into my monthly spread, or what I would call my monthly spread. Last month in January, if you guys saw, I did a whole spread, like calendar view, with it looked like a normal calendar like you would have in any planner. And that wasn't really functional for me. I didn't really use it much. I wrote on the side of it, but in the boxes I didn't write anything up in it because it was too small. So I just did a small calendar, and then just so I could reference the dates, and then I put a space for important dates because that's really what I use it for, just to keep track of any important dates that I have coming up. So I'll write them in that little box instead of taking up 2 pages that really didn't even get used. Okay, so the next page is my gratitude page. This is new. I didn't put this in my last spread. I decided to do this. I loved the idea. I saw it in some other people's bullet journals. This is something that I've done in just like a normal journal when I just do regular like writing, like journaling. So I decided to just add that into my bullet journal. So basically every day when I do my other journal and stuff, I'll write a couple things that I'm grateful for. So I put a little quote at the bottom that says, "Gratitude turns what we have into enough." So you can see here I'm kind of just making little layout and some boxes. I'm gonna make enough boxes for every day of the month, so that way every day I could fill up each one of the boxes. I'm just putting little hearts in the corners with the date inside the little heart. Alright, so next page is my habit tracker, and this is actually a page that got a lot of use in January. I kept track of all of my daily habits. This could be simple, like did I get enough sleep? Did I go to the gym? Did I drink enough water? Whatever you want to keep track of. I usually keep track of, one of my goals was to read more, so I keep track of, did I read that day? Did I read my devotional? Did I write in my journal? Did I go to the gym, etc., etc. Last month, my spread was a little different. It took up 2 pages, and on the side, I had all of my different habits, and then I kind of like had the numbers at the top, and I kind of just filled in the boxes. This time, I have it different. I have all the days next to the different habits, so I'll kind of highlight what days I did them, if that makes sense. It's kind of hard to explain it, but you guys can kind of see how I'm doing it. So on the left side column, I'll write the habit, and then each day of the week. So like for example, on the 1st, I will go through each column and highlight if I accomplished that habit. Accomplish. I don't know why I said accomplish. You get what I'm saying. Okay, so the next page is my memories page, which I had last month, and honestly, I have not been doing it. This was for me to put a few Polaroids from the month. I decided to add it again because I really want to do this for this month, because I know it's going to be fun to look back at different Polaroids from the month, especially at the end of the year. You kind of just have memories from the whole year. So I decided to add it, so hopefully I will start to use it this month. Now I'm just adding some little hearts again everywhere. And the little arrow that I put on the last page. Okay, so now I have my monthly spread, which I think I really like how this turned out. Way better than last month's spread. If you want like some inspiration, definitely look on Pinterest. There's tons of different ideas for how you can set up your weekly spread. I got this one off of Pinterest. So basically I started on February 4th because that's a Monday. And I always like mine to start on a Monday. So I did Monday through Friday, and then I have a weekend box. And then I have a to-do box, just tasks that I want to get done. And then I also put my weekly affirmations, because that's something I do like when I journal, but I wanted to add it into the bullet journal as well. So I'll just put different affirmations and change it up weekly. And again, just decorating with some hearts. Alright guys, so this is the final flip through. I actually really like how it turned out. I'm not crazy about the lettering, but I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.